In this video we are going to talk about dividend stocks for retirement. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 10. JPMorgan Chase and AMP, Company, NYSE, JPM. 2.73% as of January 28. 101 hedge fund investors. JPMorgan Chase and AMP, Company, NYSE, JPM, is a New York-based international financial services and investment bank. JPMorgan Chase and AMP, Company, NYSE, JPM, is a major American bank. JPMorgan Chase and AMP, Company, NYSE, JPM, reported earnings for the fourth quarter of 2021 on January 14. The company's EPS of $3.33 surpassed expectations by 30 cents. Surprisingly, at $29.26 billion, revenue fell short by $5. On December 14, JPMorgan Chase and AMP, Company, NYSE, JPM, declared a $1 quarterly dividend. Dividends are paid on January 31 to stockholders who paid on January 6. JPMorgan Chase and AMP, Company, NYSE, JPM, announced on January 25 that it had agreed to purchase approximately 49% of Viva Wallet, a European cloud-based payments fintech firm. The financial details were not revealed. Number 9. Citigroup Incorporated, NYSEC. As of January 28, the rate was 3.15%. Holders of hedge funds, 79. Citigroup Incorporated, NYSEC, is one of the big four U.S. banks. Citigroup Incorporated, NYSEC, is a company that sells financial services like asset management, banking, commodities, insurance, risk management, wealth management, and insurance, among other things. Its Q4 results were released on January 14. The company earned $1.46 per share, topping expectations by 2 cents. The quarter's revenue of $17.02 billion beat expectations by almost $240 million. On January 12, Citigroup Incorporated, NYSEC, issued a 51-cent quarterly dividend. Payable on February 25 to stockholders who registered by February 7. Citigroup Incorporated, NYSEC, has a 3.15% yield as of January 28. Number 8. 3M Company, NYSE, MMM. As of January 28, the rate was 3.63%. Holders of hedge funds, 46. This company's business groups include safety and industrial, transportation, electronics, healthcare, and consumer products. On January 25, 3M Company, NYSE, MMM, reported fourth quarter earnings. Earnings per share of $2.31 surpassed forecasts by 29 cents. 3M, NYSE, MMM, reported $8.61 billion in revenue, $31.63 million more than expected. On November 9, 3M, NYSE, MMM, declared a quarterly dividend of $1.48 per share. To stockholders of record on November 19, the dividend was paid on December 12. 3M Company, NYSE, MMM, has a dividend yield of 3.63% as of January 28 and a long dividend history, making it one of the best dividend stocks to buy for retirement in 2022. In the third quarter, 46 hedge funds invested $1.62 billion in 3M Company, NYSE, MMM. AQR Capital Management has a $231 million holding in the company. Number 7. Realty Income Corporation, NYSE Smiley Face. Dividend yield as of today, 4.26%. 22 hedge fund owners. Redditors chose Realty Income Corporation, NYSE Smiley Face, as a dividend stock for retirement in 2022. Realty Income Corporation, NYSE Smiley Face, is a California-based REIT that leases commercial buildings in the US, Spain, and the UK. On January 20, Mizuho analyst Vikram Malhotra cut his price objective on Realty Income Corporation, NYSE Smiley Face, to $76 from $82. In the REIT industry, lofty values and resilient, but moderately decelerating fundamentals imply multiple contraction risk. The analyst focuses on stock selectivity, pricing power, and duration. In Q3 2021, Insider Monkey tracked 22 hedge funds that held $275 million in Realty Income Corporation, NYSE. Realty Income Corporation, NYSE, is owned by Millennium Management, which owns 934,068 shares worth $60.5 million. With JPMorgan Chase and AMP Company, NYSE, JPM, Citigroup Incorporated, NYSEC, and 3M Company, NYSE, MMM. Redditors say that Realty Income Corporation, NYSE smiley face is a good way to spread out an income portfolio. Number 6. British American Tobacco plc, NYSE, BTI. On January 28, the dividend yield was 4.9%. 9 hedge fund owners. British American Tobacco plc, NYSE, BTI, is a British multinational tobacco company with operations in over 180 countries. On January 20, UBS analyst Nick Oliver decreased his price objective on British American Tobacco plc, NYSE, BTI, to £3,600 from £3,700. According to Insider Monkey, Orbis Investment Management had approximately 16 million shares worth $573.20 million in British American Tobacco plc, NYSE, BTI, as of the third quarter of 2021. British American Tobacco plc, NYSE, BTI, has a $724.3 million investment from 9 hedge funds. Number 5. Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI. As of January 28, the rate was 6.28%. Holders of hedge funds, 43. Energy infrastructure provider Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI, operates pipelines and storage facilities in the US and Canada. On January 19, Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI, issued a 27-cent quarterly dividend. In January, the dividend was declared. KMI's, NYSE, KMI, dividend yield was 6.28% on January 28. On January 19, Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI, reported 27 cents earnings per share, surpassing expectations by 1 cent. Revenue increased 42.05% year-on-year to $4.43 billion, exceeding expectations by $817.84 million. Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI, anticipates a 40% increase in Q4 profits to $2.5 billion in 2022. On January 20, Barclays analyst Teresa Chin boosted her price objective on Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI, to $19 from $18. However, she sees a generally optimistic picture for the group in 2022 despite more variability in Q4 refining performance. In the third quarter of 2021, Insider Monkey tracked 43 hedge funds that were long Kinder Morgan Incorporated, NYSE, KMI. As of Q3 2021, FPR Partners had roughly 20 million shares worth $330 million in Kinder Morgan Incorporated. Number 4. Enterprise Products Partners LP, NYSE, EPD. 7.86% as of January 28. 25 hedge fund owners. Enterprise Products Partners LP, NYSE, EPD, is a Houston-based American natural gas and crude oil corporation. On January 28, Enterprise Products Partners LP, NYSE, EPD, had a 7.86% dividend yield. Enterprise Products Partners LP, NYSE, EPD, declared a quarterly dividend of $0.465 per share on January 6, up 3.3% from the previous $0.450 payment, which was due on February 11. Enterprise Products Partners, NYSE, EPD, announced on January 10 that it had agreed to buy Navitas Midstream Partners from Warburg Pincus for $3.25 billion in cash. On January 11, after Enterprise Products Partners, NYSE, EPD, announced its intention to buy privately held Navitas Midstream. Mizuho analyst Gabriel Marin lifted his price target on the stock from $29 to $30. In the third quarter of 2021, First Eagle Investment Management owned 2.82 million shares of Enterprise Products Partners, NYSE, EPD, worth $61.1 million. 25 hedge funds invested $233.2 million in Enterprise Products Partners, NYSE, EPD, in the third quarter. Number 3. Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA. As of January 28, the rate was 9%. 11 hedge fund owners. Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA, is a healthcare real estate investment trust based in Irvine, California. Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA, issued a 30-cent quarterly dividend on November 12. Payable to stockholders as of December 16 on December 30 on January 28. Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA, had a 9% dividend yield. On January 20, Mizuho analyst Vikram Malhotra dropped his price objective on Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA, to $16 from $18 and kept his neutral rating. After outperforming the S&P Wink with tongue sticking out 500 index in 2021, the REIT sector faces a tricky macro setup in 2022. In the third quarter of 2021, 11 hedge funds invested $33 million in Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA. AQR Capital Management owns 1.11 million shares of Sabra Healthcare REIT Incorporated, NASDAQ, SBRA, valued at $16.3 million. Number 2. Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation, NYSE, WMC. Dividend yield as of today, 11.43%. 9 hedge fund owners. Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation, NYSE, WMC, is a REIT that invests in mortgage-backed securities. It invests in residential, commercial, non-agency, and agency mortgage-backed securities. Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation, NYSE, WMC, declared a 6 cents quarterly dividend on December 21. The dividend was paid on January 26 to stockholders who had registered on December 31. Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation, NYSE, WMC, has a dividend yield of 11.43% as of January 28. In Q3 2021, 9 hedge funds monitored by Insider Monkey were positive on Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation, NYSE, WMC, worth $20.6 million. 2 Sigma Advisors is a major shareholder in Western Asset Mortgage Capital Corporation, NYSE, WMC, with a $1.93 million position. Number 1. Icahn Enterprises LP, NASDAQ, IEP. On January 28, the dividend yield was 14.98%. Holders of 4 hedge funds. Icahn Enterprises LP, NASDAQ, IEP, is an American conglomerate. For more information on Icahn Enterprises, LP, NASDAQ, IEP, visit www.icahn.com. On Reddit, investors believe in Carl Icahn's vision and are prepared to gamble large amounts on his vision and company, Icahn Enterprises LP, NASDAQ, IEP. On November 2, Icahn Enterprises LP, NASDAQ, IEP, declared a $2 quarterly dividend. Payable on December 22 to stockholders as of November 16. Icahn Capital LP owned approximately 247 million shares of Icahn Enterprises LP, NASDAQ, IEP, valued at $12.3 billion as of Q3 2021. According to Insider Monkey's third quarter database, for hedge funds were positive on Icahn Enterprises, LP. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.